Good evening, viewers. This is Dudarshan Meghalaya. And now we bring to you today's news bulletin. Before going to the details, let's take a quick look at the headlines. Government releases 79.5 crores rupees to GHADC to clear pending salaries. Cabinet approves regularization of 1,000 nurses under Meghalaya Nursing Service. Cabinet approves key reforms in building bylaws, education and municipal services. And Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma urges restraint in Lapangap and border tensions. The news in detail. The Meghalaya government has credited 79.5 crores rupees to the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council's escrow account to settle nearly 12 months of pending salaries. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma stated that 11 crores rupees covers existing dues, while 68.5 crore rupees is an advance from the council's future royalty share, ensuring funds are used exclusively for salary payments.
Also, cleared an amount of 79.5 crores to the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council today, out of which about 11 crores is their dues, which is there right now with us, and the rest of the 68.5 crores is an advance we're giving towards their share of royalty from the future.
In a major boost to the state's healthcare sector, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma announced that the Cabinet has approved the regularization of nearly 1,000 nurses appointed on an ad hoc basis before December 2007, ending a long wait for formal inclusion under the Meghalaya Nursing Service.
The Health Department had brought a list of close to 1,000 nurses who are also in that same category, who have been appointed before December 2007 and was against a sanctioned post but done on an ad hoc manner. So hence, following the same yardstick and the same rules that were applicable to all the other employees appointed in that manner, the Cabinet today has decided that we will regularize those who were appointed on ad hoc basis against sanctioned post before December 2007.
The Meghalaya Cabinet on Wednesday approved the Meghalaya Building Third Amendment Bylaws 2025 aimed at improving land management and easing building permissions. It also cleared the Meghalaya State Education Commission report directing the Education Department to chart an implementation roadmap. Additionally, the Cabinet approved new organizational and staffing norms for municipalities and amended the Meghalaya Health Service Academic Rules 2025 to strengthen service delivery across sectors.
Again, this is in line with the recommendations that have come from Government of India, mainly to do with the overall management of the land and giving the permissions and allowing more space for building construction to be done so that more value of the land can come out. And as I said, these are all being done as per the guidelines and the suggestions that have been given by Government of India. And this is being done in all the different locations and different states throughout the country.
Amid rising Meghalaya-Assam border tensions, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma has advised villagers in Lapangap to prioritize safety over agricultural activities. While acknowledging the importance of harvesting, the Chief Minister emphasized that preventing escalation and ensuring security remain the administration's top priority.
Though the harvesting is of course very important for the farmers and the public there, but safety and security is our utmost concern. And even though we may be able to provide sufficient manpower, but these kind of incidents are something that cannot be 100%, are not completely under our control. And hence we would not want any kind of unfortunate incident to happen out there, which would only escalate the overall tension in that area.
Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma inaugurated the new North-Eastern Council-funded building of Nangkharai Presbyterian Higher Secondary School, Umsoping. Speaking at the event, Sangma recalled his late father P.A. Sangma's early contribution to the school in 1988 and emphasized the need for rationalizing Meghalaya's education system despite ongoing financial investments. The event was attended by Minister Methodius Dakhar, MLA R.G. Momin, MDC Srali Rashir and DC Garrett L.S.N. Dyke.
It's a real moment of happiness for me, and really a moment which I will always cherish, because there is nothing like following your leaders' footsteps. As you all know that when it comes to schools, our government is very clear that we support all kinds of infrastructure projects. It may not be everything in one go, but we always keep education as our priority.
Apatha Society, in collaboration with the District Sports Office and the Deputy Commissioner of East Jhantia Hills, yesterday marked World White Cane Safety Day 2025 with a blind football match at the artificial turf Cleriat West. Officials including SDO Manish Kumar and DSO Stephanie M. Rapsang encouraged visually impaired players to stay motivated and pursue their goals. Apatha Society President Emlang Sapo and members of the Meghalaya Blind Sports Association highlighted the importance of independence, inclusion and community support for the visually impaired.
As a part of district administration, I must assure you that district administration, with the help of state government, is always with you to help you in all the aspects of growth and development in all the aspects of your life. So always do well and never feel demotivated in your life.
Captain Williamson Sangma State University, in collaboration with ICRDCE Chennai, held a national workshop in Shillong to formulate an action plan for setting up skill development centers in higher education institutions across Meghalaya. The initiative aims to strengthen employability and bridge the gap between academia and industry. Chief Guest Jagdish Chelani, Executive Director MSSDS, highlighted the need for multi-sectoral collaboration, while Vice Chancellor Vasanthi Vijay Kumar and ICRDCE Director Reverend Dr. Xavier Alphonse stressed integrating skill-based, market-driven training into university curricula.
To ensure that we as citizens of any country or any polity as human beings are positively contributing towards the overall human development. Now it is on every generation, it is a duty of every generation to ensure that we progress towards a larger aspect where we are getting more people out of poverty, that we are able to facilitate the human life and development with each of our efforts.
The non-cooperation movement launched by NGOs in West Garo Hills began today from 5 a.m. to 5 p.m. affecting towns including Tura, Pulbari and Dadengre, with shops closed and public transport largely suspended. The agitation continuing on October 17 protests GHADC salary payment delays and a proposed PPP model for Tura Medical College. Government offices, medical shops and hospitals remain open, with police deployed to maintain law and order. Mauhati MLA Charles Marngar donated 2 houses in Nongri, Ummaubo and Sopdok to underprivileged families, fully funded from his personal salary. The gesture provides safe homes for Medalin Lamare's 6-member family and visually impaired Bandri Buram Kharkongor's family of 5. The MLA highlighted that the initiative reflects compassion, hope and his commitment to uplifting marginalized communities.
Kabat sim jong jing snoret kum shakri ubarde ai kan ke ying pi bang sim ba kan ni kam dai ke jing la ka jong ka dai ke jing ku ke jong dai ko bolo ku ba ke jing.
The 42nd Meghalaya State Table Tennis Championship 2025 kicked off at the Indoor Sports Hall, Tura, with around 100 players from 6 districts participating. Organized by the Tura Table Tennis Association under MTTA, the event runs from October 15 to 18 and features 12 singles and 9 doubles categories. MTTA Treasurer Saibal Das Gupta said top performers will qualify for national championships and the 2027 National Games. Association President Arup Nak highlighted the sport's growing popularity and its benefits for students and athletes.
Who will come out from this championship as winners, and also the top ranked ones will get an opportunity to participate in the various national championships in cadet, sub-junior, junior, youth and seniors category. And also we will select from this tournament the first batch of probables who will compete and practice for the 39 national games scheduled to be held in Meghalaya in the month of February of 2027.
In a landmark development for Indian sports, Ahmedabad in Gujarat has been recommended as the host city for 2030 Commonwealth Games. The announcement was made during the Executive Board meeting of Commonwealth Sport, marking a historic moment as the Games will coincide with the centenary celebration of the Commonwealth sport movement. Union Sports Minister Mansukh Mandavia said that the 2030 Commonwealth Games in Ahmedabad will be a moment of pride for every Indian. And now for the weather report. First, let's take a look at the weather report in Tura. Minimum temperature of 23 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature of 33 degrees Celsius were recorded. The relative humidity is 79% and rainfall 1.4 millimeter. Moving on to Shillong, 15 degrees Celsius of minimum temperature, 28 degrees Celsius of maximum temperature were recorded. The relative humidity is 66% and rainfall 1.1 millimeter. Meanwhile, in July, minimum temperature 16 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 29 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 67% and rainfall 1 millimeter were recorded today. And the forecast in Tura, Shillong and July says dry weather is most likely. Before winding up this news bulletin, here's a short recap. Government releases 79.5 crores rupees to GHADC to clear pending salaries. Cabinet approves regularization of 1,000 nurses under Meghalaya Nursing Service. Cabinet approves key reforms in building bylaws, education and municipal services. And Chief Minister Conrad Sangma urges restraint in Lapangap and amid border tensions. And that's all we have for you today in this news bulletin. Until tomorrow, good night.